Satvik, these are aquatic animals, okay?
Yeah.
You know, okay, very good. What is this, Satvik?
Fish.
What is this?
Crab.
What is this? You know this?
Whale.
Yeah, very good. What is this?
Shark.
What is this?
Turtle.
Yeah, what is this?
Jellyfish.
Yeah, what is this?
Tortoise.
Yeah, very good. What is this?
Starfish.
This one?
Frog.
This one?
Dolphin.
Very good. And what is this?
I don't know now.
This is oyster.
Oyster.
Now we'll read our national defense system, okay? Who is he?
Navy.
Navy officer. Very good. Who is he?
Air Force.
Very good. And who is he?
Army officer.
Very good. We'll read national symbol of India, okay?
Yeah.
Which is a national animal?
Tiger.
Which is a national bird? National bird.
Peacock.
Very good. National flower.
Lotus.
National fruit.
Mango.
Very good. National aquatic animal.
Dolphin.
Very good. National currency.
Rupee.
Very good. Who is our Prime Minister?
Narendra Modi.
And do you know our national anthem?
Janaganaman.
Very good. And our national flag?
Telangana.
Very good. What is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
Okay. And what is our national song? National song? Vande Mataram
Vande Mataram.
is our national song. Okay.
National song.
Okay. Thank you, Satvik.
Thank you.